Hello, health enthusiasts! Today, I want to introduce you to a secret weapon from nature's medicine cabinet, Galangal. This powerful spice, often overlooked, has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda. From soothing digestive troubles to boosting your immunity, Galangal is a true gift from Mother Nature. For generations, our ancestors relied on the healing power of plants and spices. Galangal, with its impressive medicinal properties, played a crucial role in their wellness routines. Now, in the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's time to rediscover this ancient remedy and embrace its potential to enhance our health and well-being. Imagine a world where you can combat inflammation, strengthen your body's defenses, and even sharpen your mind, all with the help of a single spice. That's the promise Galangal holds. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of this remarkable spice and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you? Let's dive in! Now you might be wondering, what exactly is galangal? It's a rhizome, similar to ginger, but with a unique character. Picture this, a tough brown-skinned root with a citrusy, almost medicinal aroma. When you cut it open, you'll find a pale yellow flesh hinting at its potent properties. Originating in Southeast Asia, galangal has long been a staple in Indonesian, Thai, and Malaysian cuisines. Think fragrant curries, flavorful soups, and aromatic stir-fries. Galangal adds a distinct zing that tantalizes the taste buds. But don't let its culinary prowess fool you. This spice is a powerhouse of medicinal benefits. From easing nausea to relieving muscle pain, its traditional uses are vast and varied. But what makes galangal truly special is its versatility. Whether you prefer it fresh, dried, powdered, or even as an essential oil, there's a way to incorporate this wonder spice into your daily routine. So, next time you're strolling through the market, keep an eye out for this unassuming root. It might just hold the key to unlocking a healthier you. Let's talk about digestion, a fundamental aspect of our well-being that often gets neglected. If you're tired of feeling bloated, sluggish, or experiencing digestive discomfort, galangal might be your new best friend. This incredible spice possesses potent digestive properties that can help soothe your stomach and get things moving smoothly. Galangal works its magic by stimulating digestive enzymes, which help break down food more efficiently. This means less bloating, reduced gas, and improved nutrient absorption. It also boasts anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm an irritated gut lining, providing relief from conditions like IBS. Feeling under the weather with nausea or vomiting? Galangal can come to your rescue once again. Its antiemetic properties can help settle your stomach and ease those unpleasant sensations. Sipping on a warm cup of galangal tea or adding a pinch of powdered galangal to your meals can make a world of difference. So why suffer in silence when this natural remedy is readily available? Give your gut the care it deserves with the power of galangal. In today's world, maintaining a strong immune system is more crucial than ever. We're constantly exposed to environmental toxins, stress, and those pesky germs that love to wreak havoc on our health. But fear not, because galangal is here to bolster your body's natural defenses. Packed with antioxidants and potent antibacterial and antiviral properties, galangal acts like a shield, protecting you from a range of infections. These powerful compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals, strengthen your immune cells, and fight off those nasty bugs that dare to invade your system. Feeling a cold coming on? Don't reach for over-the-counter remedies just yet. Try incorporating galangal into your diet. A soothing bowl of soup with fresh galangal, a comforting cup of galangal tea, or even adding a pinch of powdered galangal to your stir-fry can help strengthen your body's defenses and fight off the infection. Remember, a healthy immune system is your best defense against illness, and galangal can be your secret weapon. Section 5. Galangal for inflammation, your natural pain reliever. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies, contributing to a range of health problems. From joint pain and muscle soreness to chronic diseases like arthritis, inflammation can significantly impact our quality of life. But here's the good news. Galangal can help. This wonder spice contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that work wonders in reducing inflammation throughout the body. These compounds work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals, providing relief from pain and discomfort. Whether you're experiencing muscle soreness after a workout, struggling with joint pain, or dealing with inflammatory conditions, galangal can provide natural relief. You can incorporate it into your diet through teas, meals, or even apply it topically as a paste or infused oil to the affected areas. So ditch those over-the-counter pain relievers with their potential side effects and embrace the natural healing power of Galangal. Section 6 Galangal for a sharper mind. Boost your brain power. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining optimal cognitive function is crucial for success in all aspects of life. We constantly juggle information, multitask, and strive for peak mental performance. But what if I told you that a simple spice could help boost your brain power? You guessed it, it's Galangal. This wonder spice contains powerful antioxidants and neuroprotective compounds that can help protect your brain from oxidative stress and age-related decline. Research suggests that Galangal can enhance memory, improve focus, and even boost mood. Imagine acing that presentation at work, effortlessly remembering names and dates, or simply feeling sharper and more alert throughout the day. Incorporating Galangal into your diet can help make these aspirations a reality. So, whether you're a student looking for a brain boost, a professional seeking to enhance your cognitive function, or simply want to maintain a sharp mind as you age, Galangal can be your secret weapon. Section 7. Embrace the power of Galangal. Easy ways to spice up your life. Now that you're well versed in the incredible benefits of Galangal, you might be wondering how to incorporate this wonder spice into your daily routine. Fear not, for Galangal is incredibly versatile and readily available in various forms to suit your preferences. Spice up your meals. Fresh Galangal adds a unique zing to curries, soups, and stir-fries. You can grate, slice, or pound it into a paste to infuse your dishes with its potent flavor and health benefits. Dried Galangal, available in sliced or powdered form, is a great alternative for long-term storage and can be used similarly to fresh Galangal. Brew a soothing cup. Galangal tea is a delicious and comforting way to enjoy the spice's digestive and immune-boosting benefits. Simply simmer fresh or dried Galangal in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Add a dash of honey or lemon for an extra flavor boost. Supplements for a concentrated dose. If you're looking for a more concentrated dose of Galangal's goodness, supplements are a convenient option. Look for high-quality Galangal capsules or extracts from reputable brands. Pamper your skin. Galangal's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties extend to skincare as well. You can find Galangal-infused soaps, creams, and oils that can help soothe irritated skin, fight acne, and promote a healthy glow. Essential oil for aromatherapy. Galangal essential oil, extracted from the plant's rhizomes, is a potent remedy for digestive discomfort, muscle pain, and respiratory issues. Add a few drops to a diffuser, or blend it with a carrier oil for a relaxing massage. With so many options available, incorporating Galangal into your daily routine is easier than you think. Experiment with different forms and find what works best for you. Section 8. Ready to unleash the power of Galangal? There you have it. The remarkable story of Galangal, a humble spice with extraordinary healing potential. From boosting your immunity and fighting inflammation to aiding digestion and sharpening your mind, Galangal is truly a gift from nature's medicine cabinet. So why wait? I encourage you to embrace the power of Galangal and experience its transformative benefits for yourself. Whether you're battling digestive issues, seeking an immune boost, or simply looking for natural ways to enhance your well-being, Galangal is a powerful ally in your journey towards optimal health. Remember, even small changes in your diet and lifestyle can make a big difference in the long run. Start incorporating Galangal into your daily routine and witness the transformation firsthand. Your body will thank you for it.